Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about constants in C. So constants in C refers fixed values that does not change during the program execution. So in the last class I have discussed about variable. Okay, variable is nothing but it is also a storage area which is used to store values, but that values can be changed during the execution of the program. Those are known as variables. But constants are fixed values that does not change during the execution of the program. So that is the only difference between variables and constants. Variables can be changed, but constants cannot change during the execution of the program. Okay, so constants in C available are, those are, constants are divided into two types: numerical constants, non-numerical constants. In numerical constants, again two types: integer constants, real constants. Non-numerical are single character constants, string constants. Integer is subdivided into three types: decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Okay, so these are the types of constants. Let's see one by one. So first one is numerical constants. So numerical constants are two types, those are integer and real. Okay, so here integer constants are divided into decimal integer, octal integer, hexadecimal integer. So decimal integers are up to 0 to 9, octal integer constants are 0 to 7, and hexadecimal integers are 0 to 15, that is 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, so let's see. Here decimal integer constants, it is a sequence of digits from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9, total 10, that's why it is called decimal, with base 10 and preceded with plus or minus a sign. Okay, so this is the example for decimal integer constants: 123, 125, 175. Okay, up to 0 to 9 characters only. Next, octal integer constants. So octal means 8. So 0 to 7 with base 8 and preceded with O. Okay, so this is the indication purpose. O is used to indicate octal. Okay, O23, O35, O37. Okay, so these are the examples. One more example, O38. So this is not octal integer because octal means 0 to 7 only. Okay, next one is hexadecimal integer. Hexadecimal means 16. It is the sequence of digits from 0 to 9 and A to F with base 16. Okay, A is termed as 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. So 0 to 15. Okay, so here preceded with OX. This is the indication purpose. Okay, so first one is integer constants and the second one is real constants. So real constants means the number which contain decimal part. Okay, so this is known as decimal part. After point, the number is known as decimal part. Okay, these are known as floating point constants. A constant can be represented in exponential notation. Okay, so here syntax is mantissa e exponent. Okay, mantissa may be either integer or real constant, and exponent may be integer constant preceded with plus or minus a sign. Okay, next one, non-numerical constants. Non-numerical constants are two types: single character and string constant. So here single character constants, only one single character. That character may be alphabet or number or symbol or kept in single quotations is known as single character constants. So characters are normally represented in a single quotations, whereas strings are represented in double quotations. So that is the difference between characters and string. So character, one single character is used to represent only single character. okay, not a group of characters. When it represents group of characters, then it is known as string constant. Okay, group of characters that are kept in double quotations are called string constants. Okay, so it is single character that was enclosed in single quotations. String constants, those are enclosed between double quotations. Okay, so this is the constants. So here numerical constants, non-numerical constants. In numerical constants, the types are integer and real. Non-numerical types are string and single character. Next one is decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Okay, we can declare constants by using hash define statement or by using constant keyword. Okay, so constants are declared by using these two methods. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.